welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will show you how I make Nigerian Asun, peppered goat meat without smoking or grilling the goat meat. Keep watching and see how we prepare this yummy recipe together. Let's dive into it. So first we need fresh goat meat, and here I have fresh 1.5 kilo goat meat, well washed. Keep watching. The next thing I do is to get a clean chopping board and cut it into smaller size. For us, so we don't need a big size goat meat, it's small size goat meat. So after cutting it, this is what it looks like. Next, I will go ahead and transfer it into my clean pan. Next, I will add 3 tablespoons of seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I will drizzle 1 teaspoon of thyme and rosemary, dry rosemary. Next, I will add my blended ingredients, ginger, garlic, and onions and pepper, and then I'll go ahead and add bay leaf and chopped onions. Then mix to combine and allow to cook or simmer on a medium flame for 10 minutes. While that is aside, here is the pepper for the spice sauce. So I have this scotch bonnet pepper. It is not spicy or too pepperish. Then I have 4 balls of onions. Next, I'll go ahead and cut the onions into shapes suitable for my blender. Keep watching and don't go away and see how I prepare this asun without frying or grilling it. I will blend this very rough. After blending, this is what it look like, not smooth, not too rough. Next, let's check our goat meat. After 10 minutes, you notice that it's moisture and we have enough water to cook it, so I will allow it to cook for another 20 to 30 minutes. After then, the goat meat is perfectly cooked, as you can see on the screen. I will gently take them off into a strainer and set aside. And here is the meat stock. So next, on a clean pan, I will add 60 ml of palm oil, vegetable oil, everyone. Then go ahead and add my chopped onions. Next, I will add my roughly blended pepper and onions and stir to combine. After stirring it for 4 minutes, I will add 1 teaspoon of seasoning, half teaspoon of salt, and then cover to boil for 5 minutes on a medium flame. After 5 minutes, I will go ahead and stir this to combine. Your spicy sauce is supposed to be dry, not too wet, so I will allow it to cook again on the medium flame. So it's very dry. When it dries, it sticks very well to your goat meat. Keep watching and you notice now it is properly dry. So next, I will go ahead and add the goat meat bit by bit. This is a very healthy asun. It is not boiled, it is not fried. It was cooked without even water. the goat meat was cooked with its own moisture. Keep watching, don't go away, and all the names of ingredients and the quantity will be at the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you're new, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning back. And don't forget to watch the ads. So I mix this to combine, and after stirring it to combine to mix very well with the ingredients, I'll cover it to cook on a low flame for 5 minutes so the sauce goes in very well into your goat meat and it will be very yummy. So at this point, I will garnish it with my vegetable. Garnish with any vegetable of your choice. Here I use cucumber, onions, and some pepper. All right, this can go very well with drinks, with finger food. It's always very yummy and tasty. So this is our Asun peppered goat meat, very yummy. Let me know what you think about this at the comment section down below, and don't forget to like and share my video if you have the ability to do so. All right, and I have another video coming up soon. This yummy recipe. Would you like to know how I make it? Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so. So this very yummy recipe on the screen will be our next video. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. All right, stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video where we make this yummy recipe. And bye for now.